to all. This is Ishika, standard of class 8. Today I am here for speaking few words on Earth Day. Firstly, I would like to wish you a very happy Earth Day. The celebration Earth Day takes place at grand levels across the globe. The world observes Earth Day as an annual observation to raise awareness about the need to conserve and protect the planet. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Therefore, it is essential to conserve natural resources and protect the environment from degradation. The first Earth Day was celebrated in 1970 on April 22. On April 22, 1970, as the estimated 20 million US citizens celebrate the first Earth Day by greater gathering at school, universities and sites. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Anji Gera from class 6. Today I am presenting our topic. My topic name is Earth Day. We celebrate Earth Day on 22 April every year. It's our day to show love for our planet. We celebrate the day by learning about ways to protect the environment. It started in 1970 and has grown into a global celebration. Earth Day reminds us that we all have a role in protecting the earth. On Earth Day, people organize events like tree planting and cleanups. And happy Earth Day. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon all of you. My name is Sangeeta from class 6. Today I am presenting here a topic. My topic name is Earth Day. Let's appreciate and care for the planet every day. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April every year. This day is celebrated all over the world. It's a day to show love for our planet. We celebrate the day by learning about ways to protect the environment. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'll offer a short poem on the occasion of Earth Day. The title of my poem is I Love Earth. I love the earth and everything that breathes. I love the plants and the beauty each one gives. I love the animals and the fishes and I am a part of Mother Earth and it's part of me. Thank you.
प्रभात मैं मानस कक्षा 9 का छात्र आज आप सभी के सामने एक श्लोक प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जो कि इस प्रकार है संपूर्ण तलेवासी खाद्यान्न भंडारण नदीनाम जलम यत्र विपूज्यम एवं स्वर्गवासी सस्य जयम जिसो आज से भारत संस्कृति अर्थात यहाँ के सारे खाद्यान्न पात्र हमेशा भरे रहते हैं। यहाँ की नदियों का पानी अमृत समान है। यहाँ की फसलें सोने के समान सुगमान है। पृथ्वी पर भारत भूमि स्वर्ण भूमि के समान सुशोभित।
Morning all of you. My name is Rabia from class 9. Today I am here for deliver a topic. My topic is on Earth Day. World Earth Day fall on April 22, which reminds us of the importance of environment conservation. Earth Day is an annual event observed across the globe to demonstrate support for environmental protection. Earth Day reminds citizens of the world of the importance of environment conservation. The theme for World Earth Day 2024 is plastic versus planet. The theme aims to bring attention of the serious issue of plastic pollution and how it is harming nature. On Earth Day 2024, Earth Day organized aims to end plastic for primary health and demand a 60% of reduction in the production of all plastic by 2040. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. Myself Princy, standard of class 10. Today I am here for speak about Earth Day. On 22 April 1970, an estimated 20 million Earth citizens celebrated the first Earth Day by the gathering to universities and other cities. We must save the Earth since it is the only planet where life is possible. The effects of human activity on the world are quite hesitant because how the world is being harmed by human activity. There is no balance with nature.
The current climate problem is result of human activity. Earth Day takes place at ground level across the globe. The world observes Earth Day as an annual observation to raise awareness about the need to conserve and protect the planet. Thank you and have a nice day. Very pleasant afternoon to one and all presented over here. It's Viraj from class 7. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Earth Day. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Therefore, it is essential to conserve natural resources and protect the environment from degradation. The first celebration of Earth Day took place on April 22, 1970. People from across the globe come together to demonstrate their support for environmental protection. This year, the theme of Earth Day 2024 is Planet versus Plastic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good afternoon to one and all present over here. This is Harshit standing in front of you to tell something about Earth Day. Earth is our mother planet. It offers air, shelter, food and water for survival of life. Every year, Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April all over the world. Earth is surrounded by beautiful mountains, hills, rivers and trees and unexpectable environment. This day reminds us the importance of saving our mother planet. We can save our mother planet by many ways like reducing plastic, using water and other resources in proper manner, and reducing pollution. This day supports and motivates the people for the environmental protection. At last, I want to say that protecting our Mother Earth should be the foremost duty of humans. Thank you and have a nice day.
You all a very happy Earth Day. So each and every day is Earth Day. So do celebrate each day that you are celebrating the Earth Day. Earth is our motherland and we are responsible for maintaining it. It's our prime responsibility to look after it, Like a mother used to take care of her baby, in the same way, it is the prime responsibility of the child to take care of his parents during their old age. In the same way, this earth is our mother, and we are supposed to take care of the mother planet. Do you know why do we celebrate Earth Day? Because Lord has been told to you before me that why do we celebrate Earth Day? What is the purpose behind of celebrating Earth Day? Can you tell me? Why do we celebrate Earth Day? This will remind us that we should protect our Earth, our motherland, our planet. This is a prime responsibility of each and every citizen, each and every earthling. This is a prime responsibility. In 1970, the story behind is this. In 1970, a US senator has found that our Earth, motherland, our planet is deteriorating. So much pollution is happening here and there. As a result, the condition of our planet is getting deteriorated on daily basis. So he has taken an initiative. In his initiative, more than 20 million people participated in the very special event that time. And today, more than 193 countries across are active member of this, and they have started participating in this round. So, what is the theme for this year? The theme for this year is plastic versus planet. Do you know how plastic is deteriorating our planet, our mother age? The theme this year they have chosen is plastic versus planet. It is the plastic that are majorly responsible for deteriorating our mother and our planet. Either you see beneath the sea, or either you see the peaks of Himalayas. Everywhere you get the plastics. You have a chapter in your class 9. That is the story of autobiography of Santosh Yadav. How many of you have studied that story? In 9th class, you have the story that is the story of Santosh Yadav. She is a woman who has climbed mountain twice. She has climbed the Mount Everest twice. And in her autobiography, she has written, when she climbed the mountain that time, she has collected more than 5 tons of garbage, plastic garbage from there. So that you can better understand what's the criticality. There are only few people used to climb mountain. As you all know, Himalayas, climbing Himalayas is such a typical task. It's not an easy task for everyone. From there also she has collected approximately 5 tons of plastic. So, what is the condition of this earth? Where millions and billions of people are surviving. So keeping this in mind, in 1970, Mr. Nelson has started the drive. In that he has collected. He has given a awareness program to all the people that it is our land and it's our responsibility to take care for the land. And this year, the theme taken is plastic versus planet, and the target for the campaign is to reduce plastic waste by 60% by 2040. And today, from this dais, I would like to announce a special announcement. I'm planning to make a eco-friendly teen eco club for our school. So how many of you are interested in participating in that? Eco club. I'm going to announce a new club. In that I want students who voluntarily wants to participate in improving the environment. Eco club. How many of you are interested in voluntarily participating in that? Just raise your hands, those who are interested. In Eco Club, okay, we'll elect approximately 5 to 10 students, and the please hands down. In Eco Club, first of all, the responsibility of Eco Club to start with a awareness program. Why it is required to save our motherland. The purpose behind to make the environment green. Second, to minimize the use of plastic waste. Third, is to give the awareness about reduce, reuse and recycle. How many of you are using your pages? Reuse of pages meaning few of you are having the habit of using one side and you just leave the other side blank. This is not a good habit. Try to utilize each and every area of your page.
our environment. Deforestation is the second thing that is badly affecting our environment. So we are required to plant more trees. So the responsibility of Eco Club will be to plant more trees inside the school premises and to provide the training to other students regarding why it is required to plant more trees and why it is required to reuse papers, why it is required not to use plastic things. Like if you can't completely prohibit the habit of using plastic, at least you can reuse the same. You can reuse the same plastic bag again. First of all, one thing that you can do, in place of using plastic bags, we can start with cotton bags or jute bags. Second thing we can do if we have taken, like today's market, in today's scenario, everywhere you will get the plastic. You will get the plastic bottles, plastic bags, plastic polybags, everywhere you get plastics. But one more thing that we can do, we can reuse the plastic bag we have carried the previous day, we can carry the same one next day also. First thing, avoid using plastic bag. If you can't do that, just reuse the same. If you start using the same, then it will also minimize the uses of plastic. In this way, we will improve our environment. We will put a step forward improving our environment. So, I would like to make a team who are interested in participating in improving the environment and will give the name Eco Club to that team. So first of all, those students who are interested, please come in front of the stage. Those who wants to lead Eco Club, please come in front onto the stage. Eco-friendly club. Who wants to lead? Yes, happy to see Mary Josh is interested. Okay. Who is also interested? Only 5-6 students we want. Okay. This is the responsibility of each and every one. This is a good thing that most of the students are interested in